Hi everyone, welcome back to Urban Food Forest. Have you been wanting to grow your own crops, but unlikely to have outdoor growing space? I am telling you, you came in the right place. Because in this video, I am going to show you small space gardening ideas using just your windowsill space and some jars. Be sure to watch every step. I guarantee you will absolutely love the fourth crop you can plant in your small gardening space. Famous gardeners say, to have a successful harvest, you will have to set up a lawn, invest in greenhouses, and some even build raised beds. While all of these are not incorrect, this video will show you that while you are stuck in the city, you can still enjoy urban gardening and bring some nature indoors, with a plus factor of being able to harvest fresh ingredients. This is possible and doable on any budget. And if you don't have a sunny window, we'll show you how to achieve similar results with an indoor grow light. Keep watching to learn how. The first step towards your small space gardening is to go to your window. Open it, and breathe in some fresh air. It works, I promise. And then check if sunlight is coming through the windows. Your plants need to be exposed to direct sunlight for about 4 to 5 hours. For the next step, you will need 3 small buckets, 3 net cups, cocoa coir, seedlings of your choice. I wanted an indoor garden, so I got some sweet peppers. And lastly, hydroponic nutrients of your choice. Buy ones ideal for leaf and fruit, or check out this 3-step process on how to create your own nutrients. And then, follow these simple steps. But before we head on to that, be sure to visit our website in the video description below to get access to our friendly community of growers sharing their tips and tricks, as well as participate in our fun weekly challenges. You're watching Urban Food Forest. On with the show. First, find small buckets that you can use as grow containers. You can also use some mason jars. Next, make a hole on the cover of the buckets using a drill and hole saw. A cutter also works. Make sure that the hole is just enough to hold your net cups. Prepare your nutrient water. Follow the right mix as per the nutrients packaging direction, or refill weekly or as needed. Check for the right pH, ideally at 5.6 to 6.2. Baking soda and vinegar works well as pH adjusters. Then, insert your net cup into the holes of the bucket. You can also create your own DIY net cup by making slits at the bottom of a styro cup. Afterward, transplant the seedlings into the net cups. Fill the net cups with sterilized cocoa coir or any grow medium of your choice. And lastly, place your setup in an area where there is abundant sunlight. You may use shade nets or a pop-up greenhouse to provide the best microclimate for your plants. If sunlight is limited in your area, use a powerful grow light, like the Mini Farm Grow Light, to sustain the growth of your plants. Which plants work best for a windowsill garden? First, herbs. Difficulty level: easy. Herbs are the easiest to grow in small spots but produce healthy crops in 4 weeks' time. Not to mention the aroma it will give your space. Second, leafy greens. Difficulty level: easy. Grows fast and gives produce all year round. Loose leaf lettuce and spinach are the best ones to plant as they don't require long exposure to sunlight. Third, tomatoes. Difficulty level: medium. Choose the dwarf tomato variety. Tomatoes may need more attention to plant than leafy crops, but definitely more rewarding when done right. Fourth, peppers. Difficulty level: medium. Peppers grow well in small spaces and at its best, low maintenance. Just make sure to use a deeper jar and expose peppers to more sunlight for optimal produce. What if I don't have a sunny windowsill? The best way to do this is to replicate sunlight with artificial lighting. Be sure to get the full spectrum required for every stage of a plant's growth, powerful but economical, and easy to set up like this 1000 watts grow light from the Mini Farm. Check out the links in the description to get your own grow light now. There you go. It's nothing complicated, affordable, and definitely a space saver. In no time, your windowsill will be teeming with vibrant and fresh produce. Now that you have set up your small space garden, head on to our next video to get ideas on what to plant next. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to support our channel. Happy growing!